Welcome to StayX Tool Suite, a comprehensive, multi-threaded toolkit built for seamless account management, featuring high-speed automated password changing, account verifying, CAPTCHA bypassing, and automated Discord quest completion, all in one optimized suite. Let's start with our password changer system. You can easily clear or load your tokens and proxies. Once loaded, simply click Start Changer to see the high-speed system securely update your accounts in real time with detailed logs. Next up is the token checker. Instantly verify the status of your loaded tokens, giving you a clear breakdown of valid versus invalid accounts at a glance. With the joiner controls, inviting and boosting servers is completely automated. Select your target server, enter your invite code, customize your threads, and let the system handle the rest. Completing quests is just as simple with our quest completer. Connect your Discord account via our drag-and-drop token grabber, manual entry, or by scanning a quick QR code. Stay organized with the Execution History tab to filter and track every single past action. Finally, the Configuration tab gives you total control. Manage your API, bots, configure CAPTCHAs, and link your database using our setup guide. If you ever need assistance, join our Discord support community or submit a report directly from the dashboard. Experience ultimate account management automation with StayX today.